Hello friends, welcome back to AngularJS tutorial series part 9, and in this video we are going to learn about ng-source directive in AngularJS. When you try to bind expression with image source attribute, 404 error will be raised. Let's first understand this error, then to solve that error we will use ng-source directive. Now flip to your editor. Here I have already created a basic file structure. We have images folder with few images. Now assume I want to display a image on my page. So to display image, I will use image tag with source attribute. Now to display the image, I just want to mention the hard-coded path. So I will mention a proper image path, images, and any image name, suppose sultan.jpg. Now save the changes, and to check the output, open your browser. As you can see, the image is visible. Now to check is there any error or not, open developer tool by pressing F12, and you can check here there is no error. Now suppose the path which we have mentioned here, this is hard coded, but what if you want to fetch the image dynamically? So this path you can also fetch from the controller. So on this scope object you just need to create one property, suppose image URL. So the path which we have mentioned here, now this path will come from this image URL property. Now to access this image URL property, you just need to use data binding expression on the source attribute. So my property name is image URL. Save the changes. Now you can check here, image is visible but with the error 404, which I told you whenever you try to access binding expression with the help of source attribute, you will get 404 error, because as soon as the DOM is passed, a request will made to the server to fetch the image, and at this point the AngularJS binding expression that you mentioned with the source attribute is not evaluated. That's why you will get 404 error. Now you can check here, it actually looking for a path image URL, but in actual image URL is not a path. Image URL is a property which is not evaluated yet, so that's why it's giving that this is not a valid path. But as soon as your AngularJS expression will evaluate it, at that time it will try to find out this path, and then you are able to see the image. So actually here you are making two requests. One request before AngularJS expression is evaluated, and second after AngularJS expression is evaluated. So to solve this 404 error, in place of source attribute you need to use ng-source directive. So you just need to make one change. In place of source attribute you simply need to mention ng-source directive. That's all you need to do. Save the changes and again refresh your browser. And now you can check here, image is still there but there is no error. So this is about the ng-source directive. So now let's take one more example where I have few movies description which I want to display in a table format. So to save the time, I have already created this object. You can pause the video to check this object. And I'm giving this property name as movies. Now I want to display each movie's description in a table format. As of now we have only 3 movies description with few information like ID, the name of the movie, director, release date and the poster. And remember here, the poster property is actually holding the path of your image that we have stored in the images folder. So to display these movies information on the view, I will create a table. So I'm quickly creating a table, and to format the table I will use bootstrap classes. So I'm quickly creating a table to save the time. Now I have created a basic table header. Now to represent each row you need to create tr. So to repeat the tr you need to use one more directive, ng repeat, that will hold each movie that we have stored in this movies array. So movie in movies, and for each movie you need to bind the property here. For first column you need to mention the ID. For the second column we have movie name, then the director name, release date, and the last one is the poster. But as I told you, the poster is actually holding the path of your image. So here to display this property, we need to create a image tag. But in the previous demo, I told you if you try to bind the Angular expression on source attribute, you will get 404 error. So to avoid that error, you need to use ng source directive. Save the changes and check the output. As of now, there is no error, so now you can close this console and you can check here. Each information is visible. Here you need to format the image so that each image looks same. So quickly we can create a custom CSS here, add a style tag, and on the image tag I'm mentioning the width and height 100 pixels. Save the changes and check. Now you can check here, we have fetched movies information from the object where we have the image path, and to bind the image path here with Angular binding expression we have used ng source directive. So it's quite straightforward. If you want to avoid 404 error that was raised because of binding expression you are using on the source attribute, you need to use ng source directive. So this is all for today. I hope you liked my video. If you liked it, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe my channel. See you in the next tutorial. Till then, take care. Bye bye.